Let's be honest. Most people think estate planning is only for the ultra-wealthy or something you don't need until retirement. But that couldn't be further from the truth. If you have a family, a home, a bank account, or even just a digital life, you need a plan. At Bay Legal, we break down estate planning into simple, real-life decisions. This isn't about hiding wealth in offshore accounts or creating overly complicated legal structures. It's about making sure your loved ones know what to do, who's in charge, and how to avoid unnecessary stress if something happens to you. One of the biggest misconceptions is that a will is enough. But in California, a will alone often means your estate still goes through probate, a public, time-consuming court process that can take months or even years. That's why we often recommend using a revocable living trust to hold assets and avoid probate altogether. Estate planning also helps answer the most important question during a crisis. Who makes decisions if you can't? That's where documents like powers of attorney and advance healthcare directives come in. These forms give people you trust the legal authority to manage your finances or make medical choices if you're ever incapacitated. Without them, your family may have to go to court just to help you. And estate planning isn't just about the big-ticket items. It covers things like naming guardians for minor children, protecting digital assets and crypto accounts, handling life insurance and retirement accounts, and making sure everything aligns with your values. Here's another big reason estate planning matters: California's intestate succession laws. If you die without a will or trust, the state decides who inherits your property, and it may not be who you'd choose. Unmarried partners, stepchildren, or close friends won't receive anything unless they're named in legal documents. That's why having a plan is essential, even if your life or family situation isn't traditional. We also hear this a lot: can't I just do this online? Look, we are all for tech, but estate planning isn't a fill-in-the-blank form. One mistake or missed document can derail everything. Having an attorney means your plan actually works when it's needed most. Whether you're a tech professional with equity, a young family with growing assets, or just someone who wants to protect what you've worked for, estate planning is a smart move. And at Bay Legal, we make the process simple, collaborative, and human. Contact us today to get started and finally cross estate planning off your life admin list with confidence.